It's not sleek, it's not fast and it's not flashy, but Ford's full-size Transit van has been a silent sales giant, which dominates the commercial vans market all over the world. And it is that same workhorse that could make the small Transit connect the potential platforms for the automotive business plan to move people and things with fully autonomous vehicles, experts say. Ford declined to comment on what model the brand's standalone business could carry in 2021, when it says it will bring a robotic vehicle to the market. But experts point to the affordable and adaptable nature of vans as logical basis to enter the market. For now, Transit Connect aimed at passengers and the passenger are generating sales during an off-season period, when the automaker has few new offers to compete with the new SUVs and flashy crossovers offered by the competition. The full-size truck is popular with commercial buyers because of its versatility and easily customized cargo space. Ford hopes that the low price and interior space can help its popularity among other buyers outside the commercial arena, although owning the commercial market has proven lucrative.